If you're looking for a quick and effective way to teach your child to read using just 5 simple letters, then you're in the right place. In this lesson, we'll dive into the short I sound, and by the end, your child will be reading words like pit and sip with confidence. Let's get started. We'll keep it simple with 2 easy steps. Number 1, getting familiar with the letters that we're using, and 2, building and sounding out words. On to step 1, getting familiar with the letters that we're using. We'll go over all of the letters we'll use today: I, S, T, P, and L. We'll start with the letter I. This is our vowel. We're going to focus on its short sound today. I, like igloo. You'll hear this sound in every word that we make today. Now on to the letter S. The letter S can make more than one sound, but today we're going to focus on the S sound, as in sit. Then we have the letter T. The letter T makes one basic sound, T, as in tip. Now let's talk about the letter P. The letter P makes this sound, P, as in pit. Now oftentimes people will add an extra sound, making the sound P, because they really want kids to be able to hear that sound. But it's better if we leave that sound off and just make it P instead of P. All right, and last we have the letter L. So the letter L makes this sound, ooh, as in lip. Great. Now we're on to step 2, which is building and sounding out words. So today I'm using a white magnetic board. These foam letters that are magnetized, round magnets, a dry eraser, and a dry erase marker. But you can also do this with just a piece of paper and a pencil, piece of paper and a crayon. It's totally up to you. So today we're going to start with a 2-letter word. I'm going to move the letters I and T to my board. Now I'm going to put a round magnet under each letter, which we'll use to sound out those individual letter sounds. And I'll use my dry erase marker to draw a line underneath that word, which we'll use to blend those sounds together. All right, let's give it a try. It. Great. Now we're going to add the letter P to the beginning of that word, add a round magnet underneath that letter, and we're going to extend our line so that it goes underneath the whole word. And now we'll sound it out. P, it, pit. Excellent. Now we're going to exchange the P for the S, and we'll sound it out. S, it, sit. Great. Now we're going to change the letter S for the letter L, and we'll sound out this new word. It, lit. Excellent. Now we're going to change the ending sound, so we'll move the letter T up to the top and bring the letter P down to our word, and we'll sound it out. Ip, lip. Wonderful. Now we're going to change the letter L for the letter S and sound out this new word. Sip, sip. Wonderful. All right, so we have one more word today. We're going to change the letter S for the letter T and sound out this word. Tip, tip. Excellent. Now with just 5 letters from the alphabet, we have created 7 different words. For more simple and fun reading lessons, make sure to check out the other videos in this playlist. And if you're looking for more resources to help your children learn how to read, or your child if you have one child, then I'd recommend that you check out my Simple Words reading kit in the description down below. It's what I used when I helped my daughter learn how to read. Happy reading!